This round Landguard galvanized raised garden bed offers a generous 4-foot by 4-foot growing area with good depth, making it well suited for vegetables, herbs, and flowers in compact outdoor spaces. The galvanized metal construction uses a thicker, garden-grade steel that resists rust, weathering far better than painted or plastic alternatives. Its oval shape and reinforced panel connections give the bed impressive rigidity, so the sides stay straight and do not bow out even when filled with heavy wet soil. An open bottom design lets excess water drain freely while allowing plant roots to reach native soil, which helps prevent rot and promotes stronger, deeper growth. Assembly is straightforward and can realistically be finished in only a few minutes with basic tools, so even first-time gardeners can get it ready for planting quickly. Because the set includes 2 matching beds, it is easy to organize crops, rotate plantings, and create a tidy, cohesive look in a yard, patio, or greenhouse.